Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the language setting in AliExpress. It's a very simple process, so I'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now in order to change the language, head over to your settings. First of all, you need to go to your account section. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right, tap on it. Now in your account section, scroll down a bit and here you can see settings, tap on it. Now you will be prompted to your settings page. In this page, you can see the option language. So in order to change your language settings, tap on it. It has two options, English or Spanish. You can change the language from here. It only shows two options because I've selected my country as USA. If you change the country, the language option will also change. For example, let me change my country first. Tap on country. If I select Germany, now if I go to the language section again, it has various languages to choose from. So you can change your language according to your preference. That's it. That's how you can change your language settings in AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.